Your vowels are in there?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? What are you playing with?
Oh.
Kai, what are you playing with?
This is a vowel.
That's a vowel. Are you playing with vowels?
Mm-hmm.
What are the vowels, Kai?
This is not a vowel.
No, it's not.
It's a K. That's a vowel.
What is it?
A E vowel.
Is that a vowel?
Mm-hmm.
What are all the vowels? Tell me.
A.
Maya.
I don't have a I.
Can you tell me what the vowels are?
Mm-hmm.
What?
This is not a vowel.
The K is not a vowel?
No.
Tell me, what are the vowels?
These are not the vowels.
No, those aren't vowels.
These are the vowels.
Let me see.
And sometimes Y.
And sometimes Y.
Uh-huh.
Huh. Oh, and which vowel are you missing?
I.
Yeah. Are your vowels taking a nap?
No.
What are they doing?
They're waking up.
Oh, are you taking them out of their house?
These are not the vowels. These
What?
are Vicky the vowels.
They're what?
The Vicky vowels.
Vicky vowels?
Vicky vowels.
Because it's a V, so they're Vicky vowels?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Tell Mama what the vowels are again.
E, A, U, and O. I'm missing I. What is that? I go. I think there's something right there.
Did Roxy steal it?
No? I bet she did.
What you doing, Maya?
Huh? I'm cooking cookies and I'm stirring it right now.
Are we making cookies today?
Yeah.
Alphabet cookies?
Yeah. Ow, ow. And Kai's playing with alphabets.
That's Kai for you. Nice.